Question 33. 0.6 gram of a sample of pyrolusite was boiled with 200 milliliter of N by 10 oxalic acid and excess of dilute sulfuric acid. The liquid was filtered and residue washed. The filtrate and washings were mixed and made up to 500 milliliter. 100 milliliter of this solution required 50 milliliter of N by 30 KMnO4 solution. Calculate the percentage of MnO2 in the given sample of pyrolusite. Now, pyrolusite is oxide ore of manganese having the chemical formula MnO2. In MnO2, the oxidation state of manganese is +4. Now, on treatment with oxalic acid, that is H2C2O4, and sulfuric acid, that is H2SO4, it forms compound containing manganese in +2 oxidation state. Therefore, change in oxidation number of manganese is 2 and number of manganese atoms in MnO2 is 1. Therefore, valency factor of MnO2 is 2. Let the weight of MnO2 that reacted with oxalic acid be x grams. Therefore, equivalence of MnO2 that reacted with oxalic acid is x divided by equivalent weight of MnO2. Equivalent weight of MnO2 will be molecular weight of MnO2, that is 87, divided by valency factor of MnO2, that is 2. Now, equivalence of oxalic acid present is equal to normality of oxalic acid, that is 1 by 10, into volume of oxalic acid in liters, that is 200 by 1000 liters, and this is equal to 0.02 equivalents. Now, equivalence of oxalic acid that reacted with MnO2 is equal to equivalence of MnO2. Therefore, we can write equivalence of oxalic acid reacted is equal to equivalence of MnO2, and this is equal to x divided by 87 by 2. Therefore, equivalence of oxalic acid left is equal to equivalence of oxalic acid present, that is 0.02 equivalents, minus equivalence of oxalic acid reacted, that is x divided by 87 by 2, and this is equal to 1.74 minus 2x divided by 87. Now, according to the question, the filtrate and washings were mixed and made up to 500 milliliter. Therefore, 500 milliliters of filtrate and washings contained 1.74 minus 2x divided by 87 equivalents of oxalic acid. Therefore, 100 milliliters of the filtrate will contain 1.74 minus 2x divided by 87 into 100 by 500 equivalents of oxalic acid, and this is equal to 1.74 minus 2x divided by 435 equivalents. Now, this 100 ml solution required 50 milliliter of N by 30 KMnO4 solution. Therefore, equivalence of oxalic acid in 100 ml solution, that is 1.74 minus 2x divided by 435 is equal to equivalence of KMnO4, that is normality of KMnO4. Normality of KMnO4 is 1 by 30 into volume of KMnO4 solution in liters, that is 50 divided by 1000 liters. Solving this, the value of x is equal to 0.5075 grams. Therefore, percentage of MnO2 is equal to 0.5075 grams divided by 0.6 grams into 100, and this is equal to 84.58%.